Welcome to Bears in Exile. Today is Thursday, September the 13th, and this is the market overview. Looking at everything we look at every night. And away we go. So, Ben came out, guns blazing, did everything that he could possibly do. 400 billion every month, forever. And no interest rate increases into 2015. No stop to Operation Twist. I think he shot all the bullets that he has, and pretty darn powerful. And also pledging to buy more if he doesn't get his way. So, woo! The Bears are dead and buried. It's I don't even know how you stand up to that as a Bear, with the exception of profit-taking episodes, which I'm sure will happen at some point. But anyways, the Dow up 206 points. Monster move after possible consolidation, which it turned out to be. Everybody knew that they were just waiting for the news, and so it came up, and outside the upper Bollinger Band, everything pointing up. 14-day RSI moving average now at a bottom. It actually only got, let's see here. In the scheme of things, it didn't even go down very much. And now it's turning up to go back to the top. Everything ticking up. The daily, massively bullish. The highest high since 2000. Wow. Something weird's going on. Highest high since 2007. Massively bullish. What can you say? That's all there is to it. 60-minute time frame. Is it overdone? Nope. Everything is heading higher or holding high. Slight drift off of the CCI, but that's okay. That's it's still above the 100. Nothing to say except that it's very strong. SPX more of the same, up 23 and almost a half points. Huge move outside the upper Bollinger Band. Nothing to add to. Nothing to add to. Moving on to the VIX. We're saying going into resistance at the long-term moving average bar, and fell away. Woo! Clearing the major price consensus level, clearing the lower price consensus level, but not making a new low. A little bit curious. But beyond that, everything heading back down. Wow. TNA. Fat body spinning top. New recent high. But not... Oh, wow. Actually, it did clear this over here. Sure did. Okay. New high. That's all there is to it. Everything going higher or holding high. Topping area, doesn't matter. Bernanke put in full effect. On to the interesting UUP. Look at that fall. That's just incredible. Euro hitting multi-month highs, and this even breaking what could have been support right here in May and right here in February. Breaking both of them. Ouch. The close is pretty darn close. If it doesn't get an immediate bounce, UUP is done. And I suppose could be going back to fill a double gap back here. And that's a good spell away from where it is now. But yeah, about 35 cents. Still be a huge move up for the Dow and SPX from where it is now. Wow. Indicator wise, yeah, bottoming an area, yeah, it doesn't matter. Printing money every month, $40 billion. Everything pointing down with the exception of the CCI. Pretty darn amazing. USO oil. Yeah, red bar today, getting to the 200-day moving average almost. And closing just shy. And everything also turning back up. No sign of what's going to be a problem. GLD. Oh yeah, look at that. Dollar falls, gold goes up. Very impressive. And not far away from its recent high. They'll probably be busted out, no problem. Everything turning back up. It's going to be a broken record tonight. That's all there is to it. CompQ, the NASDAQ. Also breaking out to a new multi-year high. And everything turning back up. GE tried to get a better read on the Dow, making a new multi-year high, and 14-day RSI moving average turning up, stochastics holding high, everything going up. A little bit of question with the stochastics looking the way that they do, but I don't see any reason why this would crap out at the moment. I mean, you do have negative divergence. That also can be destroyed over the next few days. Nothing to worry about. JP Morgan. Oh yeah. Talking heads were talking about how this is the best thing possible for banks. It's come back. It's filled this gap completely. Above the upper Bollinger Band. Everything ticking up. No reason for it to stop. Maybe it'll get a pause because it's outside the upper Bollinger Band, but I kind of doubt it. XLF financials as a whole, exactly the same thing. Everything ticking up. Massively bullish. New recent high. New high for the year. We're going to get into uncharted territory of being up in the clouds with nothing above us, and then it's going to get really funky. And am I missing anything? I mean, there's no real reason to go into things too deep because now we have Bernanke put. No, I guess that's going to be about it. Bears are dead until something says otherwise. So I guess we'll be watching and waiting and getting long when the opportunity presents itself. And that's all there is to it. As always, all investing decisions are your own. This chart and video for entertainment, educational, and consumption of time purposes only. Thank you.